Hello again. So I would just like to talk about what is expected of you during class and during your online assignments. So this is my cute little Bitmoji. In case you were wondering what I look like. And it says, I expect the best out of you because I know you are good kids. So there are just a few rules in my class, and one of them is that we follow directions. So we're going to repeat this rhythm about following directions, and I'll do it, and I'll say 1, 2, 3, and you clap and say the words after me. Ready? Follow directions. Can you do it? 1, 2, 3. Follow directions. Very good. So this means that we're listening to the teacher and we're doing what they say. We're also listening the first time, not the third time, not the fifth time, the very first time. Our next one is be respectful. Can you do it with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Be respectful. Very good. So there's a lot of different ways we can be respectful. We can not talk when the teacher is talking. We can be respectful of our friends, of our parents, of our siblings, of people's property. Our next rule is to be responsible. Be responsible. Can you do it with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Be responsible. Very good. Our next rule is to be a participant. Being a participant means that you're participating. You're answering questions. You're being active within the classwork. So that's be a participant. Can you do it with me? 1, 2, 3. Be a participant. Very good.